Okay, good morning everyone. And you all know me that myself Pradeep Patil. Today I am teaching you about tenses. Okay, yes. So let's start. Before we start, we in the blackboard on the blackboard on the blackboard. Okay. So as we all know that tenses is too important to us to make the sentence, to make the construction of sentence, and to communicate with each other. Okay. So there are the three tenses. Okay, there is main three tenses in the tenses form. First is present tense. Second one is past tense, and third one is the future. Okay, in each tenses have four tenses. It's called subtenses, right? We all know that we are repeating it because it's mandatory to all these three tenses should be in our mind. Because without tenses we can't make sentence properly. We can speak easily, but while we write down something, then the tenses is playing most important role. Okay, so let's talk about present tense. That present tense have a four sub tenses like present simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay. End of the my session, end of the my presentation. If you all have some questions, some issues, some doubts, if I made some mistakes, sir, I personally request you please correct me if I am wrong, and you all also that, because my present is also not good. So the present tenses have four tenses. Same tenses it has conducted in past tense, same conducted in future tense. Okay. So we have start with present continuous tense. Mostly that present continuous tense we are using that action is going on. What action is going on? Like that right now what we do, you are hearing me. Right? That we should use ing. You all clear about tenses, present, past, future? Can I remove it? Yes. Yeah. So according to present continuous tense, we simply said that the action is going on. That means someone is doing something. Something is going. Something is happening in front of you. Something is. We can say that something is it's going on. Okay. So like Pradeep is playing. What playing? It's chess. Okay. So in that form, Pradeep is a name. It's a verb. It's ing, and chess is a object. Okay. So Pradeep is playing, and we can simply it's convert into a simple how that Pradeep is Pradeep is, I think it's not be perfect. Pradeep is playing. Yeah, Pradeep will play. We can say that. So playing मतलब खेल रहा है. Okay, its action is going on, and Pradeep played. It goes into a past case. It's that actions will be done. Actions has done. Okay. So we all have another formula that subject. Okay. Then supporting form am is are plus verb with ing plus object and plus other word. Okay. So it's a simple formula to make the sentences in the present continuous tense. We can simple things we need to be understand. Don't be understand more things because we lot of understand, we lot of goes into the confusions. So don't make confusion in the mind. Understand the thing simply, do it simply, and done it simply. Okay. Anyone have questions about present continuous tense? Let's move to the present simple tense. Anyone? Okay, we go ahead. Thank you. Okay, let's talk about present simple or simple present, whatever. In that tense, we can say that it's a daily routine. What we do in our daily schedules. Okay, what's happening in daily routine? So we come to the at spoken English class. It's a daily routine. We get up in the early morning. It's a daily routine. We take a breakfast. It's a daily routine. We take a bath. It's a daily routine. Okay. We pray to the God. It's a daily routine. Okay. We go to the college, school, office, anywhere. It's a daily routine. We go for the outing. Maybe it's weekly, maybe it's monthly, maybe it's yearly. It's a daily routine. So all these things are conducted in the present simple tense. Okay, got it? Anyone confusions? Okay. So right now I have kind of memorized that formula of the present simple tense, but we simply if you take some example about present continuous, okay, simple present tense, man can explain me which sentence is proper for present continuous, present simple tense?
I play cricket daily.
Okay. So I play cricket daily. Okay. That means subject, verb, object, other. Done. Done. So I play cricket daily. मैं रोज क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. Second one, you.
He plays cricket daily. He plays cricket.
Make other sentence. कितने को क्रिकेट खेलने? Make this up.
He goes to school every day.
We goes to school every day. When we use go, when we use any name, that time we use goes. Okay. So we goes temple every day. I think we go not only he she it. For he she it we are using goes. So she goes temple every day. For what? She know. We don't know about it. Okay. So she goes temple every day. So in the simple word, this word is main important. Whenever you go anywhere, whenever you're conducting any seminar, whenever you're conducting any presentation, mainly focus on the main. It's the agenda. Okay. So according to the agenda, present the presenter is explaining to you. So mainly focus on this thing. According to that word, according to that thing, they explain all the things to you. Okay. So the action is going on, which is simply, which is daily, which is in routine. Okay. So I play cricket daily. It's a daily actions. She goes to temple every day. Okay. It's also simple. Clear all of you? Okay. So if you have any question about the 2 tense, about the 3 tense, about all those things, you can simply ask me. And if you have any suggestion to improve myself, please let me know. Sir, you also.
Okay, I understood. Yes, sir. बताइए क्या क्या उनके
What I need to be improved?
Can I explain it slowly, sir?
You can explain.
Okay, I need to be explain slowly. Okay, okay, thanks. Next one, you ma'am. What need I improve? Is my presentation good, bad, medium?
Your presentation is very good, but you explaining so fast.
Okay, so some words are bouncing, right?
Yes.
My bowling are really bouncing, like go up on the head. Okay.
Next, your presentation is very good.
Thanks.
You was as
You can say in any language. I don't mind. I need to improve it only.
आपने जो past tense के अंदर एक sentence लिया था.
This is better.
Okay, that one. Okay, that was I need to be improved, right? Actually, past tense is pending. So we are right now. I am on only present continuous and present simple tense. It will be improved. Thanks. You last one.
It is very nice conversation, and you are
In any language, you can simply say. Because we have lack of word in English. That's why we are here. And you, boss, tell me.
देखिए सबसे पहले इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि आपको थोड़ा सा आपके स्टेज के ऊपर थोड़ा पॉज रखना है, मतलब आपके जो आप जो स्टेज पर जो खड़े हो, जब व्हेन यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग एनीथिंग, सो बोर्ड जो आपके लिए है, ठीक है ना, तो वहां पे सबसे आपने फोकस करना है। जैसे हम घर के अंदर रही चीज कैसे रखते हैं, इधर उधर पड़ी हुई चलेगी आप नहीं, बढ़िया होनी चाहिए। तो बोर्ड भी एक तरह से एकदम नीट एंड क्लीन होना चाहिए। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर बोर्ड शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन। बोर्ड तो नीट तो है, क्लीन तो है, लेकिन आपकी राइटिंग वहां पे मैच नहीं हो रही है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर राइटिंग में नीटनेस एंड क्लियरनेस आना चाहिए। जो भी वर्ड आप लिख रहे हो दैट शुड बी क्लियर, स्पेलिंग टू स्पेल। ओके, सेकंड थिंग दैट आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग, और टॉपिक से बाहर निकल रहे हो।
Okay.
राइट नाउ आप प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस समझा रहे हो तो उसके अंदर पास्ट भी आ रहा है,
Okay.
और पास्ट भी आ रहा है लेकिन वो प्रेजेंट से कनेक्टेड हो रहा है, यू नो। तो यहाँ पे आपने एक सेंटेंस बनाया था, वहां पे इज करके प्लेड आ रहा था, तो दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल। और सेकंड थिंग दैट जो टेंसेस को जो हिस्ट्री है वो कहीं ना कहीं मिस हो रही है, वर्ड्स बाउंस हो रहे हैं।
Okay.
बट आपने जैसे बोलते कि देयर आर मेन टेंसेस, देयर आर थ्री मेन टेंसेस आता है या देयर इज थ्री मेन टेंसेस आता है, क्या आता
There
है?
is three tenses.
क्या था बोलो?
There
वहाँ पे
are.
देर आना होना चाहिए, यू नो। ऐसे बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स है। ईच हैव आता है कि ईच हैज आता है, क्या आना चाहिए? यहाँ पे ईच हैज आना चाहिए। यू सेड द ईच हैव, ठीक है। ये मतलब क्या हो रहा है, वर्ड्स बाउंस हो रहे हैं, वर्ड्स कोलैप्स हो रहे हैं। बट आफ्टर आप जब बता रहे, कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज वेरी गुड, बहुत ही बढ़िया है। और थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन का, व्हाट यू एक्सप्लेन दैट, सो यू हैव टू सी दैट व्हाट आर द ऑडियंस। ऑडियंस किस तरह से है, ऑडियंस से मतलब एकदम एक्सपर्ट से प्रोफिशिएंट है, तो फिर वहां पे हमारा एटीट्यूड समझ बताना है कि व्हाट आई एम, यू नो। सभी आपके लेवल के ऊपर ही है, तो वहां पे आपको कॉम्पिटिटर बनना है। लेकिन कोई सीखने आया है, तो आपको वहां पे रियल टीचर बनना है। इट्स क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
क्लैप फॉर मी। चलो नेक्स्ट में कौन जा रहा है? लोकेश को बताई जाओ से, हेल्प चाहिए तो बताई जाओ से। हाँ, अच्छा, ओके।
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Prince. Today I will discuss this and that.
या
This is used for a thing, person, and a place situated which is situated low distance. And that is situated in long distance. This and that is used for singular. Example, this is a temple and that is temple. This is temple means लो distance की यहाँ temple है, मंदिर है, और that is temple means वहाँ पर मंदिर है. Low distance and long distance is singular. Those, these, and those. This का plural होगा this और that का होगा those. These. These are children. These are children. These are children means यहाँ पर बच्चे हैं. Those are children means वहाँ पर बच्चे हैं. तो these और these low distance के लिए आएगा और दैट और दोज लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में आएगा, और दीज और दैट सिंगुलर में आएंगे, और दोज दीज और दोज प्लूरल में।
ओके, क्लेवर है। बस यही चीज को थोड़ा इंग्लिश में डालना है। प्रेजेंटेशन में कॉन्फिडेंस आना जरूरी है, और राइट के बोर्ड पर आपने जो लिखा है वो राइटिंग पर फोकस आपका करना जरूरी है। राइटिंग थोड़ी एकदम प्रॉपर वैसे आपको दिखनी चाहिए। एक मतलब अंदर की क्वालिटी बाहर लानी, क्वालिटी है। प्रैक्टिस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अभी तक अलग टॉपिक है, काफी सारे हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, बट होप दैट यू हैव टू इंप्रूव इट। ठीक है ना? चलो गुड, थैंक यू। दिया मंडे हाँ रेगुलर करता है, अपने खबर पड़े।